your present tense. So when we talk about 2021, then it will be your present tense. Mean you are talking about present movements, present events, present action, present working, all the things you are doing in present movements. So it will be your present tense. So now I will discuss about further its kinds: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So first one is present indefinite. Indefinite means it show your intention. You make an intention, then it will be your present indefinite. Indefinite means when you didn't start your work, you just make an intention, you think about it. When you think about it, definitely it will be your indefinite. So for example, he goes to school. It means that he is not on the way, he just make an intention, so he decided he will go to school, so it will be your present indefinite. So like he goes mean jana to school, it will be your present indefinite. So second one is present continuous. Continuous mean when he is going to school, means when anybody start his work, means I am writing something, then I write through pen. When I am going to school, then I use cycle, bicycle, and motor car. After this, I am going to school or university or office. So then you can say that he is going to school or I am going to school. Then it will be your present continuous. Means he going. Going means jana. He is going means he is on the way. He is on the way for college, university, or schools or office, then something else. So it will be your continue. Then third one is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means when you have finished your work, like you have reached to college, you have reached to university, you have reached to office, then it will be your present perfect tense. Present perfect means mukammal. You have completed your task, so you have to reach your college. Like he gone to school, you can say that he has reached uh, his destination, his point where he want to go. So when he completed his task, when he completed his sign work, then it will be his present perfect tense. So it will be in your any kind of work, not only college, university, but even then in your domestic works, in your college works, any kind of works in which you are working, in which you are living. So it will be your present perfect tense. And fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. It means that when you completed your task and how much time you have to required for completed this task. It means that you can say that he has been going to college school since 2018. So you can say that it's need a time. When you required time and how much time you spent when you completed your task, you completed your assigned work, then it will be your present perfect continuous tense. Means it means that you are on the position of present tense. Means you are working in present situation, present event, present time. In this situation you have completed task, and there is a defined time, like you can say that or 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 days, 3 days, then it will be your present perfect continuous tense. It means that you what how much time you required when you completed your task. So same like this, these are four kinds of present tenses. Firstly, when he make an intention, after this he start his work. Third one is he completed his task, and fourth one is how time he required, how time he spent when he completed his task. So in next video, inshallah, I will explain past tense and its kinds,